record this? Forgot. All right, so yeah, buys above that resistance. I'll say. How big is the range? Not bad. 9-pip range. Wow, going up. Okay, not bad. Go ahead and then plays through. $15 close. I'll say I'm gonna actually have a buy stop here. Above that. Above this resistance, above that previous candle high here, separate play. So if I'm having a buy stop here, because if I have a buy stop, I'm anticipating that once we break this, we should be able to continue up towards that resistance while breaking this current candle low down here, off that break, right? I think the 1 hour is also bullish as well. Yes, 1 hour is bullish. So if you take a starter play here, you're just anticipating that the 1 hour is gonna close bullish as well above, because the 1 hour hasn't closed above yet, right? Now that was the main idea we're looking for. So let's actually have a buy stop here. Go with the 27 pip stop here. 88 pip target. Or 87. Alright, let's go 3% risk or 2% risk. Buy stop. Oh, I messed up my it's fine. Stop loss. Alright, cool. Let's play it. See what happens here.
Breaks that previous candle low. We're gonna just remove the buy stop.
Yeah. Yep. Moved. So like right now, it doesn't make sense anymore, right? Because I just kind of want to drive up, but when I have broken this low, if I have a buy stop here, it's a whole completely different trade here, because this is just an impulse starter play, right? But since now that we're rejecting, I'd rather just wait for a closure above, so we don't gotta have buy stops here anymore. Doesn't make sense. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that order. Keep going. I'm looking for sells. I mean, because again, like I think the weekly hasn't flipped bearish yet, but if this is a top wick being created at this resistance here we have, daily is at resistance, then I'll say sells are good once we break below this level here, the support, right? Because that's just a minor range you got there. We'll make 100% sense to continue down towards like the next support, which would be probably around like these levels down here, I'll say. And this range is about 60-70 pip range. This is a huge range. This is GG on a 1 hour time frame. Wow. Yeah, it should be great. See what happens down there though. Yeah, 1 hour close bearish here, right? 1 hour close bearish, rejecting this resistance here. So we could probably come down, but this is a very, like, it looks rangy. So I'm just gonna wait for a complete breakup. I'm not gonna anticipate anything in this range. Only a buys above here and probably look for sells below here. Rejected. Can we break? 4 hour close bearish to a resistance. Interesting. Daily is flipping bearish now. Weekly is also flipping bearish now as well, right? So that's always being created this wick. I mean, I am anticipating this wick to come down this week eventually to fill its range or fill its wick. So this can be a start of it. All right, cool. 1 hour's gonna close there. Okay, 1 hour close bearish. Interesting now. All right, so look at where it closed. It closed right at support, but I'm not sure if you guys remember this, but remember that day when I think it was Premier Auto took a sell, and I mentioned them about this play here, where sometimes candles will close at the bottom of the range, but at bottom range, right? So people wouldn't read the way for a closure below, but sometimes when you see this happens, I see a lot of times where we just break through without giving us an actual closure through. And also as well, I think about this is that this has some range to go down here at least. At least if you come down, we'll probably reject off of these levels down here, right? Where these wicks rejected before in the past too. So at that point, you move stops to break even. So I mean, I can anticipate that we're gonna break through with this candle here. You're down. Also, this candle here closed below these wicks here, right? Rejecting off of that resistance. So I mean, as long as we respect this high, price should be able to come down here and down to the bottom of the range. If you want to be safe, you could wait for a closure below on like the 15 and 30. But in this case, I'm gonna take a small entry first and to add a position once that happens.
What's the 4-hour look?
4 hours is bearish.
Nice.
I believe I have more room to go
Makes
down
sense.
here.
Yeah, makes sense.
What do you think, Carlo?
I think you have enough range to fill that wick on the 4-hour. I mean, it looks very small, but I think this is like 20 pips if I'm not wrong. You check from here. This is the 4-hour.
Yeah, I think 20 pips.
So
30 pips.
28. Yeah, I mean,
even if you go down
10,
here,
so yeah.
that's 10 pips right there. So once this kind of opened up great too, because when it's kind of opened up, look at how it went up straight up. Therefore, once it flips bearish, that's a high to continue down.
I'll draw you the line. Don't worry.
Yeah, draw me the line. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to flip actually, and to enter sell once it flips.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean that was quick. All right, so
the stop loss is very small too. You do like smaller position.
21 pips.
You take a smaller position now and then add when it closes below.
Yep.
But just manage it like you usually do. 10 pips, stop loss, break even, and then
let's go 1% risk here, or 1.5. All right, take a sell. Perfect. We're gonna add on to one more position once we actually get a closure below. So, ooh, right there in profit. Okay, so these are pips and profit.
Your risk is 15, by the way.
Oh. Oh, can we go back? I don't want to mess with the simulation. I don't want to mess with the simulation.
Yeah,
I don't want to mess with the simulation.
Change this to 1%.
Okay, there you go. Flips bearish. Same trade we're in. That's 15% risk. Wow.
Because the candle moved for 1 pip and you win profit for 1.4. I was like, oh, great. Okay, we'll take that. If it covers the commission.
There you go, 1.5% risk. Yeah, perfect. Oh, 5 pips. All right, it's at that support. I'm anticipating it's kind of the break below support here. It's also the NY open too, so this is pre-NY, high chance to continue down here. But so far right now, it's not good. If the 15 closes bullish, I'm probably gonna close half or close full and take a starter play later on. Yeah, so 15 close bullish here off of that support. I'm gonna close on positions here with -8 pips because this is anticipation, right? And since the first count didn't do what we wanted to do, what we wanted it to do, it doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna close and enter a sell stop once we break below there, or enter one more once we close or break that low for the starter play. So managing risk. Because if the 15 closes bullish at support, and high chance next count could continue up still, right? But rejecting lows. Okay, breaking the lows now. So now this is starter play. I'm not sure if you guys see this, but if you have this right here, support. This kind of closes bullish at support. This next kind of came down and break the lows. I think this is now to sell that. You can go full risk on. Come down towards the next support on the hourly, right? Because this is how the hourly and 30-minute looks. Has that support. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell here. Have my stops up here for 20 pips. Have my target down here for 74 pips.
This is a runner 100%, bro. As soon as it breaks this low, and that's 20 pips already. Let's see.
Let's go 2% risk. Not bad. All right, we're activated. We're in profit. Let's see if you get a closure below. That's key. A closure below here. 30 minutes and close in 4 minutes. It should close bearish here below the range. 3, 2, 1. Okay, closures and right now. 30-minute close below. Close below. I can't zoom in.
Another one. Add another 2%.
Add another
Let's
position.
go.
Yeah, I'm looking at the add another position here.
Very done for the day.
If you guys take a look at this 30-minute here, it's kind of messy here, sorry, but you have this where we close below, right? So if we're closing below this support here, high chance this next candle has to continue down towards the next support in the hourly candle. All right, because this is now the low of the hourly, the high of the hourly, this first 30-minute candle high. So I'm gonna add a second position. 25 pip stop, and then have like a 72 pip target. 25, add another 2%. In real life, I add like a 1, but another 2%. All right, there you go. This can't make on top wick on 30-minute. Yeah, it's making on top wick here. Once it flips, should be good. Okay, it's flipping. Okay, now it's good. Now it breaks that low. Now it just has to break this low now. All right. And once it breaks this low, I'm moving my stops to break even. It's gonna let it run. Oh, we got 10 pips in the first position. Get 10. Oh, we barely.
We did have 10. But
there you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Gonna maybe close 50% of that first one. All right, and now when we, yeah, close the first 50%, secure some profits, and yeah, let the rest run.
Nice. Second one too. You had 10 pips.
Oh, we got 10 pips the second one. Well, not yet.
Yeah.
Once it re-breaks low, okay, now there we go.
Oh.
Okay, so break even on this one too.
Oh no, sorry, that's the first position. They swapped places when you took off the 50%.
Yeah.
It's like there we go.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, both break even now. Runner risk free. This is gonna go TP or entry. It should go. It breaks that low, it's gone.
Yeah, it looks...
Yeah, okay, so the hourly has closed bearish now. Below the range. See, you should continue down here. But I think I'm gonna close the smaller position here. Secure that and just let this one run risk free. That's it.
Yeah.
Because this kind of way closed, it kind of closed with no bottom wick curve. You know, not really much range to go down. So if you flip bearish here, it should be good. Yeah, flip bearish here. Okay, now we should be good. Her should not come up to break this high if it wants to drive down now, at all. You should just see a bearish candle coming straight down. If Carla wants to draw it, or I'll draw it right here. Boom, like that.
I'll draw you the next one. Wait, I'm getting a message. That's the next one. And then after that, the next one is like this.
You think so? Then we gotta survive that.
You're super bearish on the daily thing, on the weekly flip bearish.
It also, this is the first entry that I took, guys, is a scenario where I'm looking to anticipate a lot more now. Like on real charts. So, because sometimes I see a lot with GG that it doesn't really close below, and you just gotta anticipate with the volume and the bias that they continue down or up.
Oh, what you saw. This.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, if you could get a closure bearish here, be cool. Yeah, hit break even. 15 came back up. Yeah, it's retesting that area now. Let's see if it holds there or not.
If this candle closes back inside the range, and this is not the fake out. That will be the fake out. Then the overall trend is bearish, right? So we're looking for sells. And like this candle is the first candle that broke below. So if this candle closes back in the range, usually we'd be like, oh, it closed back in the range now. Like it can go up and fill the range. People take buys, and the next candle just flips bearish because you're going against the trend.
Oh, if you can get a 15 closure in 5 minutes, I'm taking a sell entry.
See?
Or, well, 1 hour's gonna close bullish in this case. So that's the thing. 4 hour closed bearish, no bottom wick earlier. Okay, so perfect. We closed below the range here. I think these are nice sell stops here. You can have on this wick. This is what Carl drew out. Exactly what he drew out. A bullish candle and a bearish candle. Okay, so if we can come down and break this low, I'm gonna take sells once we break that low. Oh, I also seen this a lot too, man.
Is this
This
the
hasn't come down here.
weekly?
Yeah.
This the wick that it's filling, or this here? I think so. Because then after that, there's nothing. Like this can. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the target. Yeah. Can we break the lows here? 30 minutes breaking the lows. I want the 1 hour to break the lows. What time is it? 3, 6. It's 10 a.m. Oh, I'm off the charts right now at this point. But since it's a simulation,
Really trading.
we're gonna take one more trade.
GMT.
That's GMT, yeah. It's 10 a.m. my time. Ooh, 15 to breaking the lows. I believe we're gonna come down here on this 30 minutes. So I'm gonna take a sell here. Stop loss about this kind of high, 27 pips. Target's gonna be around down here, so 72 pips. 2%. So we didn't break the 1 hour lows yet. But we broke the 30 minutes again. I do anticipate this kind of just drive down here, easily drive down, like zoom. Oh, there goes, there goes. That would be the original entry, but we secured like some extra pips in that range too. So, we got a bonus up, I guess. I mean, where's our entry?
Would you consider an entry here?
Oh, 10 pip bonus there. Wow, 10 pips in profit. Yeah. The first time I broke the lows, not really, but the second time I came down to break the lows, I took an entry based off that. We broke those lows. 15's gonna, yeah. I think I'm gonna move my stops. Actually, no, I'm gonna let it breathe for a little bit. Maybe once we come down towards these wicks down here.
See, this one, I usually take a buy here. Just from last week, when you said if you're trading against the higher time frames, like it's all bearish. If you take a buy here, like
you don't get faked out. Yeah.
Yeah, you're trading against like the trend.
Look at this huge bearish trend, right?
Yeah.
That's the thing about fake out, guys. I make a way to avoid them. But the best way to avoid them is to follow the trend that day. You know, let's say you have this huge day of bearish trend. You see this breakout. It looks like it's clean, right? It looks like go up, but then again, keep in mind every time frame is bearish. Chances of this kind of coming back down is very high because this is a 15-minute time frame compared to a daily and weekly going down bearish still. It just won't connect. So okay, so this trade here is 16% profit. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. I'm gonna close full.
Yep.
Close full. That's the right day. All right. This kind of has a lot more to go down too, but I'm saying close full there, 16 pips, and call it a trade.
It was a good day.
It's kind of close. Oh, we got stopped out. Okay, perfect. We closed perfectly. Okay, let's limit to the next day. Not bad of a day. 2% day that day. I'll take that.
The opposite of what I drawn, and it's going down. The thing just going up. Like, oops, yeah. Let's just delete that quickly.
Yeah. All right. Let's go to the next day. Oh, it came down after during London. Oh shoot. All right, that's fine. All right, 7 a.m. here. You come to the chart to see this. All right.
Oh man.
So you guys know what this is. 4 hours bearish here, right? Look where the 4 hour closed. If I could scale fix this, zoom up a little bit. The 4 hour created a support right here. Right, but I do believe we have a high chance to continue down here. Because the daily is bearish, weekly is still bearish, weekly flip bearish. Weekly has a lot more range to go down towards that weekly level, which is down here. Daily here also has room to go down too. So I do believe the 4 hours not flip bearish here. The first thing this 4 hour count did when it opened up was go up. Therefore, this could be a high for price to come down to the bottom of the range. This would be a flip of the candle here. We are at the previous resistance here. You guys see that? Resistance formed right there. So if that's your resistance, this is your support. This is now a range. If we're closing bearish at the top of the range, price should come down to retest the bottom to low again. And then eventually once it breaks that, continue further down to the downside. So I can actually anticipate sells in this level here at that resistance and then take more sells once we break below this area here for a second entry maybe. But I think this range here is going to be about a 40 pip range, I believe. Let me go ahead and check. Oh, sorry, 50 pip range. Yeah, around a 40 pip range where we're at right now. Not bad. I'll take that range any day. So let's go ahead and mark this up. See, 30 minutes at the resistance. 15 is also off that resistance as well. So I do believe we have a lot of room to go down here. This kind of has no top wick though, so I'm gonna maybe wait for a different candle here. Next 15-30 minute maybe to close bearish. Because what can happen here as well is that we can just break up, right? We can just break up above this wick here to continue up. I would have entered a sell if this kind of had a wick here. A top wick
If
at
it
least.
breaks this low. Breaks this low and closes bearish.
Yeah.
Then
Look at
you-
that 15. It's looking ugly.
Yeah. But if it breaks the low and closes bearish, like would close like below here, I think that'd be pretty good.
Yep. A lot of rejections there.
Yeah.
Closure below would be ideal, yeah. 30 minute close bearish here. So, oh, what up, Bryce?
Morning.
I got started bringing news last night. I didn't
Yeah,
even wake up.
I don't even know. I was kind of surprised that I really didn't get that drunk last night. I just drank a little bit.
You were playing that game, the Viet.
Yeah. Moko.
The gambling, the Viets. Every game we have for every party is all gambling. It's either poker or some type of, bet on like a specific color on a pad or whatever and win money. Okay, so 15 to close in 10 minutes, I believe, so not bad. Ooh. Yeah, so whoever's new here, pretty much what we did so far was we took 2 trades yesterday. It was the first day yesterday, so we made 2% that day. Ooh, 15 closed bearish here. Interesting. Okay, so if 15 closed bearish here, I'm gonna take a sell here. Because the 15 did close below these wicks here, right?
Yeah.
So I believe that we should respect this high if we want to drive down for a wick and eventually continue down like that.
Do you want a quick imitation of you?
Yeah, what?
Okay,
Go ahead.
This is done. Guys, check this out. Check this out. See this candle? What is different about this candle and all of these candles? Check this out, guys. Check this out. It closed below. The body closed below. So we're gonna anticipate the price to move further down to fill this range right here. See, guys? It's easy. Go. Continue.
Yo, Don, whenever you want me to, I'll imitate Carlo for you because he's got some things that I've noticed as well.
Check this out. Check this out.
Carlo?
Easy. Andre imitation. Leverage. of me. Yeah, that's a good sell.
35 pip stop, 35 pip target around a 14 pip target, let's say, or 13 pip target stop loss. Did I say 35?
Made a top wick. The next candle. No bottom.
Taking a sell here. Alright, taking a sell here. The same price continue down here. Off of that
How much
resistance.
Is that 10 pips already?
Yep. I doubt it's gonna break that high here. It doesn't look like it, but it's not, right? Let's look at the hourly. It's so clean. My original entry would have been 100% been here. If this wasn't this kind of had a top wick, I would have entered on this candle opening. Stop loss above that candle, but no top wick, no bueno. Yeah, it's kind of close. This 1 hour close bearish here, so interesting. The stop loss stays the same. This is the candle high. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is not a promising candle. We could put a wick here, but I think we're gonna need a 15-minute close or something here. But I mean, fine. We need to break that 15-minute low if we want to drive down here. So let's see what happens here. Okay, not bad.
Bearish.
Flip bearish. Can we flip bearish and stay bearish?
Third flip.
Got so close to breaking it. Once we break that low, it should be good. Come on,
Flips, yeah,
there it
now
is. Okay, it
position.
broke the lows. 1 hour flip bearish here. It should be good now to continue down. There you go. All right. So there's the 14 pips there. Stops a break even. I'm gonna close full here. Another 2.5% there. All right. I'm gonna simulate. Oh, yeah,
Nice.
let's do one more trade today. Actually,
So that was a good trade.
I even like that second on the 50-minute when it made the salary play when it broke the low. I think that was like, if you didn't enter the first time when you did, that was
second
your chance,
entry.
like, to
Yeah.
get in. Yeah, because that was the move. Like, it broke the low and it just went down 10 pips.
If you're not
in and out.
anticipating, you would have had the entry, but that entry
Yeah.
had no drawdown. My entry had a drawdown. Not bad.
Pretty good.
Okay. Very simple. The whole trade itself was just basically this resistance formed, support formed. We're closing bearish at resistance, should continue down to retest the support. Oh, that is. This kind of has more room to go down too. Once it comes down to retest its low, it should continue a lot further down. But again, I'm gonna try a thing with no runners
Close
in simulation. Yeah, no runners in simulation. Just close
I
full.
just wanted to say, the first trade you had 2 positions. You were at 3.5%.
Yeah.
You let 2 runners. You closed 0.8 in profit, not even 1%. Just saying. Just like close full, and then we'll see how much profit you get out.
Yep. All right. So what am I doing here? Oh yeah, one more trade. Okay, cool, perfect. 15 close. How do I close it? Bearish. Ooh. Okay. You know what this could be here. If this is your support. Or form, just clone that. I believe if this candle comes down to break this low, you can have a stop loss of this current candle high, target down here. But let's hope it's a 1-to-1 RR. Let's see how high this candle drives up. Okay, flip bearish here. This is an aggressive entry. I believe it makes sense. You have a big stop here though. This is the only thing though. 11 pips for 16. I'll take it. A 16 pip target for 11 pip stop loss. I'm gonna take a 1% this time though. Enter sell here. This kind of should go down here, not re-break the high if it wants to drive. Okay, there it is. Now it's breaking lows. Perfect. There's TP.
Oh, TP.
I'm gonna close full. That's 9 pips. Yeah, I'm close full there. There it is.
But it actually hit it though.
Yeah, spreads.
That's alright.
Not bad. 9 pips.
Nice.
9.3 pips. I'll take it.
It is 5% already. Opa.
That's a good trade. That's a good trade. If you guys have any questions about that trade, let me know. That was pretty simple. You know, this counter just closed below the range here. Get a support. This counter closed below the range. It closed way too below. But the thing is, this counter, the first thing it did was went up. So therefore, it makes perfect sense. This kind of flips bearish, breaks the lows. This is your stop loss to continue down. Perfect. Makes sense.
That was just the same. That you didn't move it. That's the same trade, right? I mean, the same as your last trade. It's the same graph.
Same scenario.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same shit.
Same range.
The chart is super
Same range.
nice.
Yeah.
Like,
Same range.
bearish overall, and we have this. Like, that's it.
Hey, Carlo, just imagine
It's perfect, man.
Just imagine the train nut challenge. If we're doing this on a train nut challenge, right?
I sent him, bro. I sent him like to come back to me to say what he wants. I mean, I don't know what he wants. Like the challenge simulation.
I mean, I don't care if I'm on there or not, but
like, what's the point? I'll just tell him to like, do you want to come over and trade live, or I don't know, like, do his simulation or whatever.
yeah, I'm really tempted to take another sell once we break below here, because I do believe this is gonna continue down a lot. Because this is a forward candle. This forward candle just flipped. It hasn't even broken the lows yet. I believe this candle's gonna drive heavy. Once we break that low. What time is it though? 8. It's 8:30 a.m. So 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. Eastern. You have the volume coming in. So let's see your targets for a day though. That's the weekly, daily. Biggest a range here. 70 pips. Oh man, I'm gonna look for more entries actually. To clone that. How could you not on a day like today? You gotta take advantage.
What time frame is this? This is the 30-minute?
Yeah.
1 hour. How does the 4 hour look? Is this like a salary play on the 4 hour or something? No, is that a 4 hour?
This is a 4 hour time frame. There's no salary play here, not yet. Yeah, weekly they break the lows. Yeah, what's happening? It's Tuesday, right? Okay, not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a closure though. That's the thing. Below that range.
This is a real Sunday music, man. To relax.
haven't lost a trade. We haven't lost a trade there, right? We took like 4 trades so far, right? 4 trades, I think.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
4 for 4.
1, 2. Oh, that's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries so far. 6 entries. This is 8 here, but we stacked 2 of them. Yeah, this is 6 entries so far. 6 for 6, not bad.
How many days or
3. 2.
2 days?
Yeah, 3 trades yesterday. 3 trades today.
When you trade, you had 2 positions though.
I think that number's wrong. Yeah, I think you might be right. I think we took like
Take a sell on the break
a lot
of
less.
this.
Oh yes, yes. Look at this. 30 minutes flip bearish here. We're at support, but you can anticipate this count's gonna drive down based on the fact that the 15 closed bullish at support here to come down towards the next range here, at least towards this area minimum. So you have a 20 pip stop. Target's gonna be roughly down here. 50 pips, 22 pip stop loss. We have 2 minutes left. I'm gonna wait actually. We have 2 minutes left for the hourly candle close. So let me just simulate that. Okay, perfect. We never broke the lows. Again, 1 hour close bullish. I mean bearish at support, but again, you can with the 9 a.m. opening here, NYSE opening, you can anticipate this kind of to come down once it breaks that low. Because kind of first thing they did when it opened up was just go straight up. So this could be a top wick, liquidity wick, a high for price to drop down. A lot of anticipation today on the state simulation, but I think I might just call it. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it. Doesn't look too clean. Yeah. Yeah, so he kind of drove up. I would have been in the trade anyways. All right, similar to the next day. $6.30. Boom. There's 6.30. Delete that. Delete that. Perfect. Weekly is coming down towards that level, as mentioned, right? This is the target for the week. This wick fill minimum, and now we're targeting this level down here, or even this level. So we have a lot more room today. It is a Wednesday, not usually my best days to be honest with you, but that's the daily, right? Daily's bearish, cool. 4 hours, not bad. Okay, let me go and mark this up. Following that as my daily target. The range to go down there today is about 80 pip range. So 10 pips could easily be achieved today. You have a support here, so I'm gonna wait for a closure here in this case. Yeah, let me go ahead and clone this. Yeah, wait for a closure below here. Once you get that closure, I'm in positions. All right. Ooh, no bomb within the 30-minute time frame. Keep in mind the 1 hour is still open, so the 1 hour could just, you know, continue down. Also, guys, if this 1 hour comes up, leaves a wick here, you have a 30-minute bullish candle here. Therefore, you can take a sell stop below that 30-minute candle if we close bullish for a start replay. I believe we're flipping here. Yeah, we're flipping here. Kind of should continue down here. I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close though, at least. 4 minutes left. Bearish, perfect. We have a weak bearish candle. I'm not gonna enter this position here. This candle closed a weak bearish. It did close below, but I've seen this a lot. I'm gonna wait for maybe in this case there might be a 15-minute candle closes bullish here. If you get that 15-minute closure, I'm gonna take a sell stop below. I'm gonna wait this out because this kid is kind of iffy here. You can take a small position here because 1% or something, but it's kind of doesn't look that promising to me of what I've seen in the past.
Yeah, minimum payment day $0.
Yeah, 15. Can we get a bullish candle closure in 15? 2 minutes left. There it is. Okay, there's a 15 closure. Now I'll take the sell stops below here. This will make 100% more sense. If you don't break that high though. Okay, don't break the highs. Don't break the highs, GJ. Reject it. Yes, reject. Okay, now we come down and break the lows. Yes. Come. Can I flip bearish here? Come on. Keep in mind, the 30-minute close was on a 30-minute time frame. The 1 hour is still open. 1 hour did close below as well. So I believe the flip of this 1 hour to flip the 30, working as lows, will be an ideal start play sells. Hey, who's snoring in the background?
Don't do it, I bought
Someone's getting excited there. God damn it. Happy Valentine's Day, brother.
Oh, my camera's on the whole time. My bad, guys. There we go. Oh man, that's funny. I thought my camera was on. He doesn't tell me. Oh, can we break the lows here? Hey, there he goes. Broke the lows. I missed on some pips here, but it's fine.
Broke the lows.
Yes. So we're gonna take a sell here. 1 hour flip bearish here. 4 hour start replay you had there. 1 hour flip bearish. We avoided this drawdown too. We saw this, right? The 15. I'm like, you know, guys, wait for it. Just wait for it. Kind of close bullish here. Then now we take sells. So, what is this? How many stops here? 25 pips. 25 pips for like a 70 pip target.
How much time is left in the hourly?
8 minutes. You are correct. But
I mean, I've seen it.
Still made a top risk. Yeah. I think it's a good trade.
2% risk here. Original risk, right? That's original risk for the simulation today. 2%. Oh, 1 hour close weak players. What can happen here is we can get like a 15 closure back in the range. This is a 2% risk, right? Okay, worst case we lose 2%, but 30-minute close below. What's this? It's ADM. ADM opening. We should continue down with the ADM opening. NYC opening. Let's see. For the lows. Okay, now we have the top wick. Perfect. Now once we break this lows, it should be. Say a line, Premier Auto. Say it.
Ciao, Bella.
Yeah, once we break these lows, it's gone. You can enter another position once we break those lows, but let's see.
I think the trade is pretty good. Like I'd even take at the close of this. It is a weak close, but it closed below and it broke the lows. So I mean, can't win them all, but I think it was a good trade.
Yeah, I see. Oh, we lost 1% there. Oh no, 2%. 1.5 or something. Oh yeah, 2%. Yeah, 2%. Yeah. This counter here, I was kind of same scenario from earlier. The 30-minute counter from earlier. Same scenario there. I mentioned how we could come back up in the range.
I can't delete my line. I don't know why. It doesn't work.
Who is that? I don't know who will snore, man. First loss of the simulation, not bad. I'll take it. Okay. Same bias though. I'm still bearish, guys. Just I think now for sells, you need to break this down here instead and sell that right there, right? I didn't even like the way the 1 hour closer as well. Very weak. I see this count coming up. Okay, now we're breaking the lows. I think the 15 close bullish. Yeah, now we broke the lows. Now this would be your second opportunity for sells here. All right. So,
30-minute salary play, bro.
What time is it? 30-minute? Oh yes, 30-minute salary play. Yes, I'm in a sell position here, 100%. Stops are around 31 pips. Targets around 66 pips. All right. Yeah, sell here. Oh. There it is.
Oh,
there's a trade.
There we go.
There it is. All right, so
there we go.
23 pips in profit. Moving stops to break even. I'm gonna close like. I'm gonna close like 80%.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna close the full thing, man.
Because your lot size was adjusted to the stop loss, so it's not like right now. It's not 1-to-1. When you
but when you move stops to break even.
yeah.
It's like you don't want to be like where you enter position. You have a 16 pip stop loss and a 20 pip target, but once you get to 10 pips, you close full. It's fine because you can't just have a magic. It's not like it's a magical number or anything where you need to make it a 1-to-1 to make it a profitable trade. If a trade's profitable, it makes sense. Close it right there. Like no one's stopping you from doing that.
I checked. Jeez.
You would do like 05. No, that's me. You would do like a 5, actually a 10 lot on GJ. So at 10 pips already here, you'd close full or half. So
Yeah.
close 23. You know.
Because your movement starts to break even.
Simulator, yeah.
I do in real life too all the time.
Adjusting. Yeah.
I actually had an argument with someone about this. They're like, "Hey Don," well he didn't say "Hey Don." He's like, "Yo, you have a negative RR. Your trades aren't profitable." I'm like, "How's that? How's it not profitable?" It makes no sense. It's not. You don't need a magical 1 to 10 or something if you want to become profitable. No, you have a 1-to-1 minimum. I'll go nothing below that though. So I'm gonna close full here. Look at that perfect trade, clean start replay there. Close full. There it is.
That's good.
This kind of should continue down as well,
nice.
but again, I'm comfortable with my 20 pips. We get another entry maybe. If it's kind of pulls back here, 15 close, or let's see how we close there actually. We get a wick full entry here maybe.
You use a fixed lot size on the simulator. You know where it says risk on the percentage? I think you can change that.
Yeah, I could, but this is easier for everyone.
Yeah, because I think overall, like you had 1 losing trades, but the amount of pips you made with the winning trades, if all of them were the same lot size, the profits would be much higher than 5%. Just saying.
Oh, 10K account. What can I pop here? A 1.0 lot?
Yeah.
Roughly. 1.0 lot every trade next time? I'll do it next time. We'll do a bigger account next time. Like a 50K or something.
Smooth.
Pop a 5 in and 3, pop a 10.
Dang.
Andre took another sell on gold on Friday. When Don did the same time. But I moved my stop loss to break even. I was aggressive. Yeah, I was aggressive with my stop loss. But then after that, it moved like 60 pips, 40 pips or something. I was like, God damn.
Bryce, you trade after Friday, last Friday, or you call it a day after that?
Trying to think.
Because you came in late, right? You came in pretty late.
Yeah, I took that trade when I came in when you got like that sell, I believe.
Yeah.
Right when I came on. And then I was just watching it after that. I was asking you like what happened to gold? Like I thought something drove it up.
Oh, I had no idea. Thing is, like, those buys, like, I wasn't even planning them, so like, I saw them, like, wow, that's clean. Because think about it, if you look back at it, the sells that we took were messy in the range, but at the time being, it wasn't messy because there was enough range for us, right, to catch. But after we saw the buys, we're like, wow, that buy was so clean. But again, like, I wouldn't have caught that if I even tried, to be honest.
Right. What day are we on right now? Wednesday? Thursday?
On Wednesday. Yeah, we're almost done here. We have 2 days left. So far, great simulation. Thing about simulation, you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to go for 2 hours. It gets you a little tired and drained. You can't, enter your original trades. Yeah, I think if we left it running stuff, we would have hit break even here. This kind of wicked all the way back up here. So. Someone's getting FOMO over a simulation over this candle. Oh man, it's okay. We come back tomorrow, do the same thing, right? 10 pips again. That's a great thing. When our close bearish here, 9 AM opening. This account's probably gonna pull back here very soon. Should pull back. There it is. There's a pullback. There's a top wick. It could come down now. Once it rebreaks that low to fill this wick. Can we rebreak that low to fill this wick? Let's see it. Wait, can we take an entry maybe? Let's see, 15. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay out. Wait, it's not. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay out. It's not that great of RR. This trade should continue down here though, towards this wick minimum. If it respects this high though. So this would be a trade that Carlo would take on a FOMO. He got FOMO over this move and he's like, fuck, should I take a sell here? Take a sell right here, stop somewhere.
Wait, what time frame? What time frame is that?
This is a 1 hour, my friend.
Show me. No, go in the lower time frame.
Yo, can I do a
15.
Carlo impersonation real quick?
No, I take a sell here, bro. The break.
Yeah.
I feel this. Those are 10 pips, like easy in and out. Zip.
You ready?
That Don, he knows our trading habits.
Yeah.
He knows about
I
my
think
trading shit.
I don't know Bryce's though. Bryce is getting better at this, so he's a bit more disciplined now. I'll say he surpassed Carlo with the discipline. So I'll give it discipline.
This is,
I don't know,
this is Carlo. You ready?
20% account growth this week. Just saying.
Yeah, that's insane. That's a good
shit.
week, man. That's a good February for you.
Was that 10%?
20%.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
I'm waiting for Andres' impersonation.
Okay, here it is. Here it is. You ready?
Go.
You ready? Don, can you go into 30? My brothers. Go into 30 for me. If you go into 30 and you look here, this 30, this is a 30-minute 30. Okay? My brothers. I have crypto, and the more crypto I have, the more 30s I have.
This is I do Khabib.
You know
I
it's
do
all love,
Khabib.
bro.
I do Khabib. This is number one bullshit.
You know it's all love, bro.
Right. It's cool, bro. It's cool.
Yeah.
You forgot the salary play. Yeah, bro. This is salary.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. This is salary play.
Hey Don, so last night I took a sell here. This is Carlo. I took a sell here. I get my stop. This always happens. I don't know. Every time you take a trade during pre-London or late London, you always get stopped out. Every day.
It's because I didn't trade GJ for, I don't know, man. Almost the whole past week I was only in gold. That's why I didn't get fake out.
Yeah. They were from late London.
And following the trend. Yeah, I'll draw it for you.
Oh, I skipped way too ahead. It's okay. 7 a.m. here. All right, not bad. Yeah, that's a resistance, 100%. Okay, so how's the daily look? I think daily is bullish now, I believe. What day is it today? Thursday? So weekly is, okay, it came on that support, came to that target. That was a target, 147,920. Perfect. Thing is, we rejected off that level pretty hard. So Thursday, we could flip bullish here again. I'm rejecting out that support to follow its, I guess, overall, because this is a bearish trend on like this won't make sense, but daily, weekly. This right here is the weekly. Weekly is on a bullish trend. This is on a daily, weekly bearish trend, right? So we're rejecting out the support again off this bullish trend here. If this is your resistance, we could reject off here to continue back up. I believe this candle's gonna flip back bullish, and then next week we should continue up to fill this range here, towards like next week's candles.
Take a swing trade buy, so that we can simulate until the end of the session.
This is the McLaren entry right here. To look for buys right here, going all the way back up. Okay, so 1 hour is at resistance. I'm gonna actually mark up this resistance here, like that, and then wait for a closure above in this case. All right. Clone that on like the 4 hour. Yeah, that resistance, perfect. If you break above here, then we'll pop up towards the next levels, which will be roughly around here. All right, so this range here is about, let's take a look here. How big is this range here? About a 43 pip range. So I mean, you have resistance here and then resistance here, but this resistance is 20 pips minimum, so you can at least secure some profits and manage risk as we get towards that level, because you gotta take advantage of those levels, right? I always gotta take advantage of those minor levels. So let's wait for a closure here. Let's simulate this.
Where is Andre now to hear me? Go on the 30 minute. Yeah, that's salary play there.
Did you? Oh, no, I didn't. It was open.
Oh no, it closed. I'm sorry. I thought it's the same candle. No, there
Brother,
it is.
go to the 30.
Brother, listen, my brothers. This is number one bullshit. Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Hey, this I'm surprised this count came up here. Very surprised off of this closure. Weak bullish. I think this is a 4 hour starter play or something at least. Let's take a look. Oh no, it's a bullish candle. Yeah, I don't know. This is weird. Doesn't happen a lot, but that's fine. Oh yeah, I wouldn't have gotten interest here even if I tried to. In real life too. I would never catch that. If anything, I'll catch this. This is the entry I'll probably be able to catch. This one, right? Because this one, we close above this resistance here. Clean bias going up towards this resistance. But this, nah. This would be a runner position for me, if anything. Can we get a closure? Oh, perfect. Okay, if we can get like a 30-minute closure or 30-minute flip of this candle here, we can take buys. Because 30-minute here close bullish above, right? So once the candle flips bullish again, you can take a buy, stop loss current candle, targets up here for 20 pips. Let's see how low the wicks are gonna be though. That's the thing. It's gonna revert to lows. Yeah, you can't take those biases anymore because now your stops are gonna be around like way too big. Your stops are around 18 pips. Your target's gonna be around like 15 pips. A lot of people take buys right here. They'll take a buy right here based on the fact that it's retesting this area. They're just expecting buys here. But again, like I don't enter off of retest. The reason why, because I rather wait for a bullish candle as support to take buys going up, right? This makes more sense to me. This is just kind of like, you're kind of calling tossing bombs. You don't know how high or how far this candle's going to drive down. This is a retest. There's no confirmation for it, right? So whereas you get a candle closing like this make a lot more sense. These are buys I'll take. Boom. To retest these highs and to continue up. Sharif, that's Sharif's entry. That's a retest that Sharif's waiting for. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I don't know.
The thing about this trend, like,
I mean,
if it's bullish trend, retest. That's when he gets in because from here to here he already has 10 pips.
It makes sense. It's just,
but it's very risky. This candle could just go down and stop you out as well. So
yeah, no, it makes sense. It's just I think I'm more comfortable just waiting for a closure. You know, this is my thing. I used to try like this though. I used to have buy limits here. I have a buy limit right here. Got to activate. I'll be in position. Oh wait, I'm in a position actually. The 1 hour closed bullish here above the resistance. I'm taking a buy here. Anyways, yeah, 1 hour closed bullish above the resistance. So this is like a 30-minute retest. I'm taking a small position though. After 1-2 close bullish, I'm gonna stack in their position. So let's go 14 pip stop, 31 pip target. 14 pip stop, let's go 1% risk here. Take a buy here. And once we close bullish on the 15-minute or 30-minute, I'm gonna enter in our position and stack it. And that's how I stack my trades. Oh, nice. 15 to close in 2 minutes here. I believe we're not gonna get that entry.
Nice.
Are we?
11, 15.
You're gonna get the entry?
You're not closing?
Yeah. Can we enter? No, I can't enter. See, the range is too small now. If you want to enter another position, it doesn't make sense because you'll have like a 26 pip top, stop loss for like a 10 pip target.
There's my entry.
Stops to break even.
Right here. This is how I trade. So the whole move is gone. I'd enter a buy here.
Not bad.
Because it closed above this.
Not bad.
So you can still catch 10 pips. How much is left here, this range?
What's that? We made, how much percent we made in that trade that we just closed there? What's that?
1.5. I think. 18 pips more, almost 2%.
2%, yeah. It was a 1 risk, by the way. If that was a 2 risk, it would have been 4% trade right there. Not bad. Okay. This gonna come back down to range here and stay in this range for the rest of the session now. So it's a nice trade. Yeah, it's a pretty nice trade. It was your confirmation at the retest plus my confirmation of a closure above. So we won on that trade together. See, Carly, we got stopped out there.
Profit. Like I'd be gone. I'd be like, fuck, man, why always me?
Yeah, it's kind of like try back into range. Ooh, is it? Hold on, 30-minute close there. Oh no, that didn't. This is 5:30 right here. I mean 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So NYSE open, NY open.
I think it's just gonna be ranging because that 30-minute that closed isn't the strongest bearish candle. It has like a small body.
Yeah.
So it was a good trade though, because you see that's pretty clean.
Yep.
What you said, there was a small resistance here, but it didn't really affect. Good trade. Sharif took 5% on this one.
Can we get a 1 hour closer? Okay, I think we're gonna get a bearish channel closer here for a starter play going up. Okay, it should be a starter play in the 50 and 30 here. Okay. Doji, I'm gonna stay out. Day's done. 9 a.m. Eastern. Call it a day. Go on to tomorrow. Don't care what happens after. Right. Boom, 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 boom. 6:30. Come on to your chart. This is a Friday, last day of the simulation, guys. So, pretty good simulation so far. It's been like 40 minutes. Not bad. Should be done in about 10 minutes. Okay, 4 is currently in a range here. Daily is bearish. It looks like it's gonna be a very rangy day. If I'm telling you, if I'm being honest here, it's gonna be very rangy today. 1 hour. They still haven't broken out. I think if I'm looking for sell positions here, I'll look for sells below here, and I'll look for buys above here. I'm gonna keep it simple today. Be honest with you guys, because this doesn't look too clean. I'm just gonna wait for a breakout. No breakout, no trade, and it's only gonna be like a 1% risk trade, anything, unless it looks really clean. So clone that, clone this, go on a small time from 30. There's the range, perfect. Yep, sells below here. Go ahead and draw support right here. All right, perfect. I'll delete it. I don't like it. Okay, if we can get a starter play here, maybe come down. I think the next support you have is going to be roughly around like the support down here. So, how big is this range? Not bad, right? What'd you guys do here? Sells below here? 4-pip range. I'll take that any day. Let me go ahead and clone that first.
What time frame is that? You put that window a bit up, just a little bit. I don't know if you guys see the time frames. I don't see the.
That's down here.
Yeah, I can't see that though.
Oh.
It's only me. Can you see them, Bryce? Bryce is muted.
Or this right here.
Oh,
30 minutes.
yeah. Okay. I think it's
I can see it on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. It's there. It's there.
Or up here. All right. Can we break the lows here? This 15 minutes should continue down here. Let's see. Okay, cool. Close bearish here. Not bad, but not the ideal trade here, right? It doesn't make any sense. I'll wait for a closure below. Starter play here is the case, man. 100%.
1 hour, yeah.
1 hour starter play. I might have sell stops actually placed right here.
I agree. Then the higher time frames, I think it's really respected, like especially on the 4 hour.
Let's take a sell stop here. 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip distance, so not bad if you have that. And then once you get your distance, it's gonna be around. Actually, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see how high his wick, how far his wick is. That's a stop loss for however high the wick is of this current candle here, this current hourly candle. Is that it? Come on. Break this right here. Come on. 15. Can we break? 30. Ooh, barely breaking. What time is it? It's 30. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Guys, this is it right here. This is the start play last year of the simulation. Can we go? We're up 6%. Should we risk 6%? Let's do it. Let's see it. Let's go. Let's see what happens when you over leverage on an account. All right. You have a good week. All of a sudden you want to over leverage on a Friday just because you want to just double your account. So let's go. Have a 10 pip distance. have a 18, 17 pip. Nope, sorry, not that. 27 pip stop, 40 pip target. Let's go with 6% risk. So if anything for the week, we'll go break even. All right. This is ideally not the way you want to trade, but we're gonna have fun here. Sell stop. Oh, stops are off. Let me go ahead and adjust that stop loss before we get into a trade. Come on. Always happens. I don't know how I'll fix this. Give me a second. Oh no.
Hmm.
There you go. Then I fixed it.
You click on the line of the trade.
There you go. I got it.
At the green. You got it?
I don't got it. There you go. I got it. Jeez. Okay. Gonna fix my stop loss here. Adjust my stop loss.
And if you click on modify, you can just move the line. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're in. Sell stops. This is a setup play. Once you break this low here, price should not come up to break this high if it wants to drive down towards the support down here. This is a 40 pip range here. Not bad at all. When I was gonna close bearish here, I'm probably gonna delete the sell stops here because if the 1 hour closes bearish without breaking the lows in this current hour candle, it's not a setup play no more. It doesn't make sense. So, yeah, I'm gonna close my stops here. This trade does not make sense. There's no volume here also. So again, like I did say, it's gonna be rangy. It looks pretty rangy so far. I want to take on my trade though for the simulation. It's the thing. This has gonna probably flip up bullish here again. Has no top wick here. No top wick. Okay, 15 close, not bad. Okay, now this makes sense. Okay, if you could take a 15-minute here with this is similar to our second trade of a simulation. We took a sell here off the fact that this candle flipped bearish, closed below the range. We're gonna take a sell with the stop loss at the current candle high. So whatever this high is, so around a 30 pip stop, target's gonna be 30 pips once you flip bearish here for sells. Okay, perfect. 13 pip stops. That's your retest, right? 30 pip target. 6% risk. Let's go. Are we gonna go break even, or are we gonna double our weekly profits? Can over leveraging work today, or not? Oh, this look too promising, guys. Not gonna lie to you guys. We gotta survive this 30-minute high. This is the thing. 30-minute close below. We have to survive this pullback. And the thing is, you don't know how high it's gonna go, but you have logical levels where you can retest, so it can be here. So I mean, the chances of this kind of going up to retesting these areas but not breaking this high is pretty high. What we're gonna do here, this is not ideal by the way, but since we want to play around here, we're gonna remove our stops and put it at this high over here instead. All right.
No stops.
No.
We don't need stops.
Okay, we're gonna do that instead. Let's see what happens here.
It just has to flip bearish.
Yeah, it just has this first bearish. It's gone. Say bye.
Go.
Okay. I think our original stop loss would have been fine, would it? Yeah, it would have been fine there. Okay, let's see. Flip bearish. There it is. Flip bearish. And stay bearish.
Flip bearish,
it didn't break the lows again.
Bullish again.
We closed bullish here. I'm gonna close my positions probably. Okay.
Okay,
Pretty low. Okay, now it should be good. You can take a second entry here actually. So let's over leverage again here. Let's take a 20 pip target, 28 pip stop.
More stop. More trade.
More. Let's go 10% risk now.
Yes.
This is when you win 2 trades on gold and you feel like God. That's me on Fridays.
Here you go. Could we go here? Oh man, not again.
You can't even manage the trades.
There you
you
go.
have to let him run.
Can we get 10?
Yes.
Can we get 10? We got 12
go.
on the first one. Stops to break even. Gonna close that off.
Close.
Second one stops to break even. Gonna let it run risk free. It's a Friday. Done. Whatever happens, happens. This guy has no bond wick here, so automatically boom, my stops to break even. I don't care how many pips I'm in profit by.
No, this is the 10% trade. Should have closed at 10 pips.
Yeah, it's fine. Up, 13 pips there. Oh no, can't pause it. Oh man, I couldn't pause it there. I couldn't pause it. That's fine. Fuck, this count's gonna go up now. I'm gonna close full here. There's a trade. I was technically at 10 pip trade there too. Not bad, right? I think came down 13 pips. Not bad so far for the week. 14% over leverage on a Friday. Went 14% risk on the second trade on the last trade of the week. Not bad. I'll take that. There it goes. There it is. Not bad of a simulation. One lost the whole entire simulation. That's good for the week, right? Because then we're coming this week with confidence. Do you guys have any questions about all the charts?